The trial of a man accused of murdering rap legend Tupac Shakur is underway, 30 years after he was shot dead in Las Vegas.
We now have Mr. Davis.
Duane Davis, a former gang member, has pleaded not guilty. This is one of the most notorious unsolved crimes in history. So what did we learn on day one?
Duane Davis made sure that the shooters were armed and ready.
But really, at the end of the day, you have to ask yourself if what they're saying is really truth or fiction, fact or fiction.
The prosecution accepts that Davis didn't pull the trigger, but they say he orchestrated the killing, that it was revenge for an attack earlier that night on Davis's nephew, where Tupac appeared to kick the man on the ground. It happened after a Mike Tyson fight.
Orlando Anderson's on the bottom of that group. You see security coming, trying to break this up. And then you'll see Tupac Shakur, Suge Knight, Trayvon Lane, and that group exit the engine there.
The prosecution's case largely relies on Davis's own statements to police in a memoir he wrote in 2019 and other interviews he's given since.
And what he puts in the book is that Duane Davis confessed to the murder of Tupac Shakur. In the book, he says, them jumping on my nephew gave us the ultimate green light to do something to their.
The defence team is desperate to distance Davis from those statements. They've taken the unusual approach of characterising their own client as a liar, saying he embellished stories for entertainment.
In the book, you're going to learn that Keffe says that he was at the fight. He was sitting on the second row. He was sitting with all the celebrities, and he was dressed in his finest gear. There's not one iota of proof that he was ever at that fight.
Defence lawyer Daniel Saft urged jurors to focus on the evidence available. He stressed that the murder weapon nor the vehicle used in the killing have ever been recovered.
At the end of all of the time we spent together, what you're going to find is that the state cannot prove to you beyond a reasonable doubt the claim that Keffe had anything to do with a first-degree murder with use of deadly weapon. There's no facts to that matter.
We also heard from several witnesses, including a woman named Ingrid Stokes, one of the few people there the night of the killing in Vegas.
When we heard the gunshots, when all hell broke loose.
And to be fair, you didn't see those gunshots.
No.
And then what do you do when you hear the gunshots?
I freak out and I scream, what the heck?
Davis was present in the courtroom throughout. He looked stoic, if a little exasperated at times. It's not clear whether he will take the stand. The trial continues.